Pass the ball. Stop playing, people. Wait. Can I have the ball? Hem and Lorelai, you're my teammate. Pass the ball. Wait. Give it to him. Pass the ball on your left. Left. Pass. Pass. Wait. You cannot throw the ball. That's not part of the mechanics. Okay? We'll do it again. Hold. Pass on your left. Right. I'm not the one.
I will
It's
talk to
part
him
of the
first.
instructions. Thank you, Omar. Maybe next game. You as well? Hold. Pass the ball on your left. Left. Pass. Left. Oh! It's yours.
Yours out.
I'm so sorry. Guys, don't hit the person next to you with the ball. Alright, music please. Pass the ball on your left. Left. Go back to the right. Right. Oh! Who was holding the ball? I think it was you. I don't know. You guys are the one playing, not me, Moroccans. Sir, thank you so much. Next game.